Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 Twitter lag issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on battery and device care. Now in battery and device care scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, go back to settings. Now in settings click on apps. Now here scroll down and find Twitter app. Now click on Twitter app and then scroll down and go to its storage. Now after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of Twitter app. Now here click on delete to confirm and then go back to settings again. Now in settings click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings and then enter your lock screen password.